Today's star of the shave is HAGS, Rick or Treat. And stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat, and today the star of the shave is HAGS, Rick or Treat. Oh man, I'm really excited for this shave because this is my first HAGS and my first Rick base. So I'm like a 2-for-1-er. Woo woo! I'm also using a Colonial CR AL razor with a Gillette Minora Minora blade. I'm using a RazoRock Plissoft 400, you know, me with those brushes with that little indent in the back, and my trusty TRC lather bowl. Oh man, my bushy sprayer. I'm almost Mitchy Matchy, yeah. Oh man, I'm really excited. Like I said earlier, it's my first HAGS and my first Rick base. Oh, look at the smell. A better smell would be the lather. I get candy corn, orange slices, a whole bunch of different scents and candy, this is like a trick or treat, a Halloween Halloween scent. But I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'm looking around. You know you're allowed to have candy besides on Halloween. You can have candy any other day. But like with everything, do it with moderation. Except for wet shaving, because, wet shaving, us wet shavers, we don't have enough gear. Oh man, look. That nice thin layer protecting your skin. So far, I'm so excited using my first HAGS soap. And from my understanding, HAGS stands for have a great shave. And I'm already telling I'm going to have a great shave. Oh man. The anticipation for getting my first HAGS soap and for my first Rick base soap is like the anticipation of a kid wanting to go on. Remember, under the neck, I don't talk. Let me finish my sentence. It's like that anticipation of a kid wanting to go for Halloween and get the candy. And it's worth the wait. I believe, we shouldn't lose our inner child in us. That innocence and that anticipating for something new, to do something new, because it's new. A lot of people lose that childlike faith as they get older because, life beats them up, or, we lose that magic, that innocence inside of us. And, with me and wet shaving products, anytime I'm trying something new for the first time, I'm giddy up. My second pass, I'm like a kid, like caffeinated, sugared up kid. So much to try in this wet shaving hobby. New, old. Oh man, and I cannot imagine what the next 5 years is going to be like. Oh man. I'm mowing through this. I'm a daily shaver, but still, I'm getting a lot of protection. So tell me in the comments what things in life you get excited for waiting for. It could be anything from food, a movie, a TV show, just anything in your life that brings you positive joy. For me, it's eating breakfast with my little critters and also looking forward to a shave. I just love that. Also, seeing other people's lives on Instagram or YouTube. That's what brings me joy. Also spending time with my mom and some family, and of course the wet shaving community that I call my family. I love hearing from them. I love seeing them succeed. I just love that they made me a better person. I'm going for my third pass. Beautiful feedback. I would listen to an MP3 of feedback all day. My background music, just the feedback of different wet shavers. Oh man. Beautiful. Oh, I feel like a new person. Like, had like 2 shots of espresso, 3 shots really. Like, oh man. And the smell, I can't wait to use the splash. I'm good to go. Silly me. 2 seconds. I'm back. Yeah. I tried to stay in camera. Oh. Damn, this is a beautiful base. Oh, man. Whew. So let me know in the comments what you're looking forward to. Did you try it? Yeah, have you ever used a HAGS soap, or did you try the Rick base? Oh man, it's living up to its great reputation. And what things that get you excited, as an adult, that brings back childhood memories. I know this is bringing me back to memories of trick-or-treating and eating candy like until it was like going out of style. That's for me. Oh man. Woo. Now the splash. Ooh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna be generous with this. Ooh. This is a good splash. It's more citrusy to me. Remember, we all smell things differently. We all have a different nose palette. Oh man, that's a beauty. Well, okay, let me go over the lineup again. And the razor I used was the Colonial CR7 AL. The plate 3, I forgot to mention. Still very mild, the plate 3. Gillette Minora blade. RazoRock 400 Plissoft. It's a synthetic. And my trusty TRC ladder bowl. I love these bowls, and I'll probably get more. Not probably, definitely will get more. And of course, the star of the shave today was HAGS Rick or Treat Rick Base. Wow, thank you so much for staying to the end with me. It's a blessing. I just love to share my passion for wet shaving. And hey, Saturday 9 a.m. Eastern time, if you have some time, go on Instagram and go to the Razor Company Live, and you'll see 4 great people talk about wet shaving, talk about life. Very friendly environment, very nurturing, and you'll learn something and have a great time learning and laughing. Beautiful combination. Also, for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com, where you get excellent service and excellent products. Wow. Thank you again for staying till the end. I hope everyone's having a great life, and remember, you're special, you're important, you matter. The hardest thing to do is that initial step. Reach out to someone. They want to hear what you have to say, and have a great day, and thanks again. Bye.